So today I'm taking you to my garden to show you how I harvest my homegrown onions. Good morning from the Himalayas. There's something special about starting the day surrounded by nature. The fresh mountain air, the warm sunshine, and the sounds of birds singing, it never gets old. Every morning begins with movement. Before I step into the garden, I spend some time exercising, warming up, stretching, and using my resistance band to activate my muscles. It wakes up my body, clears my mind, and gives me the energy to take on the day. And today is a day I have been looking forward to. After months of planting, watering, caring for the crop, and patiently waiting, it's finally time to harvest our onions. Growing your own food teaches patience. Nature works at its own pace, and every harvest reminds me that good things take time. Instead of pulling the onions straight out, I'm using a small garden trowel to loosen the soil around each bulb. The earth is packed tightly, so each onion needs a little care before it comes out. It takes effort, but honestly, I enjoy every moment of it. During harvesting, I try to be more cautious because using these sharp tools, they might hurt the earth forms which are sitting down the soil, right? So, if you know, earth forms keep the soil more fertile, and they are the building blocks of any garden, right? So, you have to take precautions while harvesting, and that's it. There's something deeply satisfying about lifting an onion from the soil, knowing that it started as a tiny seed and has now become food for our kitchen. Every onion tells a story of months of care, changing weather, sunshine, rain, and patience. So, this is my second bag of onion harvest, and this much of area I have to still cover. Harvesting requires time and patience, so let's do it. One of my favorite parts is collecting them. I challenge myself to toss each onion directly into the bag. It's a small game, but it makes the harvest even more enjoyable. I have noticed something interesting over the past few months. Spending time in the garden has improved my focus. My concentration feels sharper, my energy levels are higher, and I find myself reacting more quickly and staying present in the moment. Maybe it's the physical work, maybe it's the fresh air, or maybe it's simply the peace that nature brings. Whatever the reason, gardening has become much more than growing vegetables. It's become part of my daily routine, my exercise, and my way of slowing down while staying active. Every harvest feels like a reward, not just because of the food, but because of the journey behind it. These onions will soon make their way into our kitchen, where they will become part of our daily meals. There's a different kind of happiness in eating something you have grown with your own hands. This is only the beginning. In the next part, we'll continue harvesting more onions and prepare them for drying and storage. If you enjoy peaceful gardening, mountain life, and the journey of growing your own food, I would love to have you along. Thank you for spending this beautiful morning with me, and I'll see you in the part 2. Take care.